Alright, so we're now outside the Florida Museum of Natural History. We have a lot of ground to cover. I don't know how much we're covering today, but we're covering this entire area probably. We have the Florida Museum of Natural History, we have the Butterfly Rainforest, we have a bunch of stuff. So this is gonna be interesting to see all this because I heard those dinosaur bones and stuff, so yeah. Okay. So Florida Museum entrance and Rainforest entrance. Okay. So I guess we're gonna do the Florida Museum of Natural History first, then the Rainforest. So let's see how that goes. That's interesting. This is a tooth shark from way back when, but it's feeding money. Oh, this is cool though. You have like the birds up top. Whoa. I'm already intrigued and I just got here. Whoa. That's awesome. This thing is massive. Jesus. This thing's huge. Okay, so for size reference. This thing is massive. Okay, Discovery Zone, Library of Life, Florida Fossils, South Florida, or Universal Studio, or Energy Future. My bad. Pretty sure I just heard like a monkey somewhere here. Yep, there it is. I have no idea what this is. This thing is massive. Let's see here. Okay, so this is a mastodon study sculpture. So this is kind of what the mastodons looked like way back when. Jesus. This thing is huge. Again, for size and reference point. This thing's pretty massive. I'm gonna just give you an idea of what this is like. Oh, no way. They have them like, that is awesome. This was kind of the environment that the ancient people of Florida lived around. So I'm just giving you an example without the. Okay, journey underwater. If you are a small fish. Oh God. Whoa. I can't really record this, so I want to, but. What the F is that? Oh yeah, as if you were a small fish. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're creepy. I hear a dolphin. Where is the dolphin? Oh, that's awesome. Yes, we're still swimming. Just keep swimming, Dory. Just keep swimming. Whoa. That's some cool. Okay, so the ski would build these giant things. But the Muskegee are my ancestors, which is pretty cool. There's even like a basic idea of this, but like where they are today, all their cultures and stuff, this is all awesome. And then to see that, you know, my ancestors, like the Muskegee or the Creek, they're still around. It's like a biodiversity lab. That's cool. Praying mantis. There's all the different plants and animals categorized. That is awesome. Whoa, okay, never mind. Whoa. Butterfly rainforest time. Alright, so we're now on to the butterfly rainforest. Gotta open this airlock. Okay. Now, you gotta stay on the path and do not touch anything practically. Whoa. Awesome. Oh, this is cool. It's like a giant netted facility. Oh, this is cool. Whoa.
I'm so glad you guys came today. We are too. Hi, Mom. So what do you do? There's 4 fish down there.
Whoa. Yeah, koi and all. Jesus, the butterflies.
Yeah.
Whoa. Should have like the koi.
Really unusual one.
This is cool.
Oh, and look at that, look.
Wait, what? Butterflies drink like that? Butterflies drink through like a straw on their mouth. It's just located there. What?
One right behind you. One right behind you. Alright, you guys, let's go in this little cup right now.
Oh, no problem.
Come on, guys. That's a pretty cool. Look back and you see them all fluttering. And, look at this. Oh, this one.
Oh, that's cool. Alright, I figured I'd spend some money. I'd spend like $22 on stuff I don't need. Alright, that is the Florida Museum of Natural History.